I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, maybe it's you.
Okay, so I'm jumping right into things. I gotta hurry up and get to work. Sorry, that piece of hair was right there. I'm gonna start off using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Just gonna take a little generous amount, put it all over my face, and blend that in. And every time I open this stuff, it just smells so good. Sorry if I'm not looking directly at the camera. I'm trying to look in this mirror. But yes, I love the way this stuff makes my makeup stay on, and the smell of it is amazing. If you haven't got it, you need to get your hands on it. And I'm gonna try to stop filming. Sorry, I'm gonna try to stop filming when I'm rushing, but yeah, I need to get myself in order. Anyway, start out with the foundation. This is in the shade Cinnamon 440G, and it looks like this. I feel like it's gonna be a little dark. I don't know. We're just gonna go right into it because it's. We're just gonna get right into it because I don't have time to wait. I think it is gonna be a little dark for my skin, but I done made a mess. That's why I need to stop rushing, because now I'm just going crazy. Anyway, I think it may be a little bit darker than my skin tone, but it may be okay. If, you know, after we put the concealer and everything on, it may blend out right, so we'll see. And I'm going to use my Japanese high density foundation brush. This is a smaller one, and I used this once before. I mentioned it in my haul I just recently had, and I absolutely love this brush. Seriously, I love the first one that I had because I had the bigger one, or I still have the bigger one, and it's so bomb. And this one is just as bomb. It's just a little bit smaller, just a little bit more fluffy, so to say. Now, with this foundation, it definitely has a scent. It has like this floral type of scent. So if you like scents, then you may not like this foundation, but I don't mind scents. It actually smells pretty good to me. Actually smells really good to me. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a little bit more orange, it looks like, on my skin. But it may work out once I put my concealer and everything. But so far, this is definitely feel like it's drying kind of matte pretty fast. And if you guys have already used this foundation, let me know in the comment section. Like, what shade are you? Do you like this scent? Some people hate scents in products, but I don't mind as long as it doesn't stink. It smells like a floral, like flowery jasmine type of scent. I don't really know exactly how to explain it. It blended out pretty good. I feel like it gave me some pretty good coverage, definitely. I don't know if I want to change the shade that I'm in, like just go exchange for a different shade. I really don't know. Let me see how it looks like blended out on my forehead. I'm gonna say this foundation dries pretty matte. Like, it's blending, but I think you better go ahead and just blend it when you put it down. Especially if you have like a mattifying primer already on. Yeah, go blend it out, sis. Okay, so this is what a second layer looks like. I feel like it is pretty full coverage. It definitely dries like matte, and I feel like you need to blend this out as soon as you put it on. I would like to see how it actually works and blends out with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge versus the brush. So I am going to have to like try this again. As far as the color, I feel like I'm kind of looking like a Oompa Loompa. But we're going to see. We're going to see how the color looks with like the concealer and everything. So yeah, I don't have time to sit here and keep debating, but we just gonna keep moving on with everything like we normally would. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11 and just place this everywhere where I should be placing concealer. This is not going to be a very detailed video. I'm doing something very simple today because I have to hurry up and get to work. I probably won't even do lashes if I start running out of too much time. But yeah. Just taking my Maybelline sponge, gonna blend that out. Okay, so I guess so far how it's blending with the concealer, I feel like it's making everything matte, which is a good thing. I don't know if you need to hurry up and like move the products. And you know how, I don't know how to explain. You know how some things don't mix well as far as the formula. So I'm looking, I was just paying attention to how the concealer. He's horrible. Anyways. Dior, shut up! Anyways, I was paying attention to how the concealer was blending out with everything. Sorry, you guys. I was yelling. My dog was pissing me off. But yeah, I was paying attention to how the concealer was blending out. I'm not sure if I necessarily like it. I don't know if it was the concealer or the tone. I don't know. It's something about it that looks a little strange to me. I could be wrong. It could be the lighting. But yeah, let me just go ahead and set my face. I don't have time to sit here and play these games with this concealer and foundation. I gotta go. Everything does look matte. Everything does definitely look matte. So that's a plus. I want to see how it looks when I set everything as far as my, the powder, the concealer. I'm just going to use my Sacha Buttercup to set it. I'm going to take a Beauty Blender sponge. Just pick a little bit of that up and go ahead and set everything. Take my fluffy Juvia's Place brush. I'm just going to kind of pat that in and dust away at the same time. I'm not going to bake super long because this foundation seems pretty matte. I guess it's not looking as bad, and I figured that once I put my concealer on, it would start to look a little bit better, and with the powders, because that shade by itself was looking a little orange. But I'm actually liking how it looks a little bit better now. I was scared, y'all. I'd be nervous, especially once I start filming. It's like, you're not finna take this right off and start all over, especially if I got somewhere to go. So I was nervous how this was gonna turn out, but it's not that bad. It's not bad at all. Oh man, I left my setting powder. I'm not setting his face. I did it because I gotta go, and I don't want to get up, go around the camera, try to get my stuff. We just gonna contour. And like I said, I'm trying to get out of here. I gotta go to work. So I'm just gonna take my, I can pull this back for a little bit, excuse me, hold on. I'm gonna take my Morphe contour palette in the shade 8, or the style 8H, I think it is. And I'm gonna take this shade, the lighter one. I'm gonna take Blogger, and also I'll take the dark one. So I'm just gonna use my MAC SES 140 SES fan brush to take that and kind of bronze up my face, add a little bit of color, and I guess set, since we're not setting with another powder anyways. So what y'all thinking so far? Is it coming back to life or what? I know I need something on these lips though. That's what we do now. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade now, Fabulous. And I'm taking my Milani fan brush. Love this brush. Just gonna take that and really focus it just in my cheekbones towards the top. And bring whatever's left over down. You guys know the drill. And let me know in the comment section, would you guys like for me to do a dedicated just highlight and contour video? If you guys are interested in seeing that. You know, sometimes people struggle with doing highlighting and contouring and knowing how to do it, especially like with cream products. So if you guys would like to see that, definitely comment down below, let me know. And I love when you guys give me feedback. It just makes me feel like I'm really building a community and a family, and I respond to all y'all comments. Like, I really do. Even if I'm a little bit late, I respond, because I feel like that's important. That's the whole purpose of doing YouTube. Especially, my channel is not even that big, so like, it ain't like I got millions of followers where I can't respond to y'all. So yeah, I try my best to respond to everybody. So leave me comments. I like that. I guess this is good enough. This is good enough for today. We not doing a full face beat. I'm going to work. I do want to get some blush, and I don't have any right here with me, so I am gonna have to get up. So give me 1 second. So I'm back. I think that's the last thing I had to get. Hopefully I don't have to get my butt up again right now. But I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna take my MAC blush, MAC Peaches blush. I'm gonna use a little bit of that just to pop on my cheeks, just to add a little color and kind of bringing everything together. And I really don't think I'm doing lashes. Let me see how my lips look first. Hold on. I don't know, y'all. Do y'all think I can get away with not wearing lashes today? Should I put on some mascara? I feel like I look like a shaved bird. Let me see if I can just pop some on real quick. We just gonna do it so fast. So fast, y'all. Hold on. So I'm just gonna use this contour shade, and I'm just taking my Sephora number 38 crease brush, and just putting a little bit of that into my eyes, just to add a little bit of dimension, so my eyes don't look like super flat and like blah. Okay, so that's it. That's all I'm doing for my eyes. Let me go ahead and pop these lashes on off camera to save time, and I'll be back with my final look and final review. Just give me a second. Okay, so that pretty much completes everything. I went ahead and just popped on some lashes. I didn't even do a wing, just did some simple lashes. I do need to set my face. I'm indecisive if I want to use my Makeup Revolution or the Wet n Wild. I'll see how this one goes on. This is the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Setting Spray. Let me spray it out first. I hate when them big chunks get on my face. I don't really like the way this smells, but it may be a good one still. So this pretty much completes everything with the foundation. If I have not already said it, it does range at $40. I do like the foundation. My final thoughts, I feel like it does look nice with the with all the other products. And I'm looking, so out of, I don't know, I think I will give this foundation maybe like an 8.5, 9. 8.5, 9, because it is matte. It's definitely full coverage, and I think it blends well. I want to give it another try to see how it blends with the sponge versus the brush, but I do like the foundation. I may change up my color, but I'll definitely let you guys know in another tutorial. I'll kind of mention it again. I want to give it a little bit more, like a few more times to try it out and see how it works, and like going in the sun, seeing if it holds up. But yeah, I'll definitely let you guys know. But so far I do like the foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I hope it was helpful, and if you guys are gonna purchase it, definitely let me know in the description box, or if you've already tried it as well. But anyways, if you have not already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration.